Hey guys, today we'll be testing a white tack slime. So I'm making a blue tack slime by making a soft slime. So guys, you have to put blue tack and then you can add soap, it doesn't matter which one it is. And you also can add shampoo, shaving foam, cream and those things. So now guys, I'm starting to open my blue tack or white tack. It doesn't matter which blue tack or white tack it is. So get the blue tack, and it is very hard, but you can stretch it. It is so stretchy when it is hard, like when you got it just right now from the pack. It's so hard guys, it's so hard. So I'm stretching it, like mixing it. And now I'm putting some shampoo on it. You can put some shampoo, whatever one you want. And you can put soap, whatever one you want. And then mix it together so that it comes like soft. So I'm mixing it. Mixing my blue tack. It's so soft guys. So it gets soft after when I put this soap in the, like shampoo in the. It's really like nice to feel it. I love it. And actually when it's white tack you can change the color very quick. So I'm putting in some shaving foam. I want to make it even more softer, but try to make it not sticky because I don't like sticky things. So mixing again. It's so nice to feel it guys. I wish there's nothing going wrong with my blue tack because I really love it. It's so nice to feel it. Now I'm going to put some unicorn magic, like those things from Poopsie, so that it becomes like so glittery, like unicorn sparkles, like those things. So now I'm putting unicorn magic, and then after I'm putting some unicorn sparkles, like stars, glitter. And it's so glittery guys. Look at that. I think I'm going to call it star tack. Not blue tack or white tack or pink tack. I'm going to call it star tack. So guys, I'm looking at how it looks like. I wonder if it's going to be so nice when I'm going to put some pink color. It's so nice guys. If you feel it, it's going to feel so nice. Like it's so soft, like a slime. And actually guys, that's a non-glue slime, so you don't need to put glue. Now I'm putting some red paint on it so that it becomes pink. Like the trick is when you put a little bit of red color, you get a pink color. And when you put so much red, it gets red. So that's the trick. Look, it's getting pink guys. Pink. I'm going to call this Pink Star Soft Tack. A longer name, you know. Look at my amazing pink star slime guys. So guys, I did it without glue. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon on the next video.